Hello and welcome to DK Sarayas classes. So today we will be discuss Khilafat movement, which is very important for your PT preliminary examinations as well as mains GS first examinations, and who chose history as a optional subject for most important. Khilafat movement. During the First World War, Turkey joined the Central Powers against Britain. The sympathy of Indian Muslims who regarded who regarded the Sultan of Turkey as their spiritual leader of Khalifa was naturally with Turkey. After the war, with the defeat of Turkey, the elite powers removed the Khalifa from power in Turkey, which aggrieved the Indian Muslim against British government. Okay, hence the Muslim started the Khilafat movement in India for the resumption of the Caliphate position. A Khilafat committee was formed under the leadership of Muhammad Ali, Shaukat Ali, Maulana Azad, and Hasrat Mohani to organize a country-wide agitation in India. The younger generation of the educated Muslims and a section of traditional divines and theologians had been growing more and more radical and nationalist. The ground for common political action by Hindu and Muslim. The ground for common political action by Hindu and Muslim had already been prepared by the Lucknow Pact, which is signed in 1916. In this atmosphere, the nationalist trend among the Muslim took the form of Khilafat agitation. The main objective of Khilafat movement was to force the British government to change its attitude towards Turkey and to restore the Sultan. कुल मिलाकर ये कहा जा सकता है कि जो खिलाफत आंदोलन था वो भारत में स्टार्ट किया गया ब्रिटिश के खिलाफ, चूंकि ब्रिटिश जो थे वो कहीं न कहीं वो तुर्की के खिलाफ एक योजना बना रहे थे उसे कुचल देने की. October 17, 1919 was observed as Khilafat Day, when the Hindu along with Muslim in fasting observed hartals on that day. An All India Khilafat conference was held at Delhi on November 23, 1919. With the Gandhi as its president, the conference resolved to withdraw all cooperation from the government if the Khilafat demands were not met. Congress leaders like Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Mahatma Gandhi, also known as M.K. Gandhi, viewed the Khilafat movement as an opportunity to bring about Hindu-Muslim unity against British Raj. A joint Hindu-Muslim deputation met Viceroy on the Khilafat issue, but it failed to yield any result. The Central Khilafat Committee met at Allahabad from 1st to 3rd June 1920, which was attended by a number of Congress leaders. हिंदी में क्यों कह सकते हैं कि 17 अक्टूबर 1919 को महात्मा गांधी के नेतृत्व में खिलाफत कमेटी के नेतृत्व में दिल्ली में महात्मा गांधी ने खिलाफत आंदोलन का नेतृत्व किया और हिंदू मुस्लिम को एकत्रित करने के लिए बल दिया. In this meeting a program of non-cooperation toward the government was declared. It was to include boycott of titles conferred by the government, boycott of civil services, army and police, and non-payment of taxes to the government. Gandhi insisted that unless the Punjab and Khilafat wrongs were undone, there was to be non-cooperation with the government. The Khilafat committee launched a non-cooperation movement on 31st August 1920. The Khilafat committee launched a non-cooperation movement 31st अगस्त 1920. खिलाफत कमेटी ने असहयोग आंदोलन 31 अगस्त 1920 को शुरू किया था. दिमाग में डाल लो. The Congress supported Gandhi's plan for the non-cooperation with the government till the Punjab and Khilafat ranks were removed and Swaraj established. The thousands of students left government schools. हजारों विद्यार्थियों ने सरकारी स्कूल छोड़ दिए एंड कॉलेजेस. हजारों विद्यार्थियों ने सरकारी स्कूल और कॉलेजेस को छोड़ दिया. मैनी प्रोमिनेंट लॉयर्स गेव अप देयर लिक्रेटिव लीगल प्रैक्टिस. बहुत से वकीलों ने अपने कानूनी पेशे को छोड़ दिया. वुमेन शोड ग्रेट इंथुथियाज्म. महिलाओं ने अपना बड़ा उत्साह दिखाया. बॉयकॉट ऑफ फॉरेन क्लॉथ्स बिकम ए मास मूवमेंट. और विदेशी वस्तुओं का बहिष्कार बड़ी मात्रा में आंदोलन में किया गया. इन जुलाई 1921 द ऑल इंडिया खिलाफत कमेटी पास्ड ए रेजोल्यूशन डिक्लेयरिंग दैट नो मुस्लिम शुड सर्व इन ब्रिटिश इंडियन आर्मी. ओके. इन सितंबर Ali brothers were arrested for sedition. Okay. Gandhi also gave a call for repetition of this resolution at number of meetings. Yeah, numerous meetings. Okay. The government again took recourse to repression. The activities of the Congress and Khilafat volunteers were declared illegal after the Chauri Chora incident. After the Chauri Chora incident, Gandhiji suspended the non-cooperation movement. Very soon the Khilafat question also lost. Very soon the Khilafat question also lost relevance as the people of Turkey rose under the leadership of Mustafa Kemal Pasha and in November 1922. समझ गए? Deprived the Sultan of, समझाने की कोशिश करता हूँ. वेरी सून द खिलाफत क्वेश्चन आल्सो लॉस्ट द रिलीवेंस एज द पीपल ऑफ तुर्की रोज अंडर द लीडरशिप ऑफ मुस्तफा कमाल इन नवंबर 1922. जल्दी ही खिलाफत के प्रश्न ने तुर्की के लोगों में महत्व खो दिया. ठीक किसके नेतृत्व में? मुस्तफा कमाल अतातुर्क के नेतृत्व में नवंबर 1922 में. और डिप्राइव्ड द सुल्तान ऑफ हिज पॉलिटिकल पावर. तुर्की वाज मेड सेकुलर स्टेट एंड द इंस्टीट्यूशन ऑफ Caliphate, also known as Khalifa, was abolished. Abolished उन्मूलन हो गया. All these steps broke out. All these steps broke the back of the Khilafat movement. Okay. So this concludes discussion for today. Thanks for watching in this lecture.